We went to the Bahamas for 5 nights in August, and our primary objective was to get married, which we did. But we also went to Atlantis, we went island hopping, and enjoyed a resort of Sandyport Beach Resort just outside of Nassau, which is where we got married. Check out the beauty of the Bahamas in this video. So here we got the entrance to Sandyport, the actual resort. You can already smell that ocean, that beautiful ocean smell. Holy crap, look at that water. I'm going to try out my drone here. It's pretty windy though. Using a little bit. Here, as you go to Southern, so it's nice to go walk a couple of minutes and you're right here, a little bit wavy. That's the Blue Sail restaurant. We're going to eat there later in a couple of days. Have a nice sunset dinner there. Oh, you got the beach over there too. Gazebo, the famous gazebo from all the photos.
Golden sky so sweet, ocean breeze so warm, Caribbean charm, palm trees sway so tall, sea eagles echo call, footprints in the sand, magic in this land. Life feels easy here, no worries, no fear. Sunset paints the sky, let the moments fly. Snorkeling the reef, treasures underneath, colors bright and bold, secrets to unfold. Hammock in the shade, cool drink freshly made, time just slips away, perfect holiday. Life feels easy here, no worries, no fear. Sunset paints the sky.
Holy cow, look at this water. Look at my baby girls having fun. There's no filter needed for this water. Holy shit. Hold on. So this is one of the things you get with the day pass. You get the private beaches. Look at our baby here.
Hammock in the shade, cool drink freshly made, time just slips away, perfect holiday. Life feels easy here, no worries, no fear. Sunset paints the sky, let the moments fly.
Look, he
Sand between my toes, ocean breeze that blows. Sunshine all around, island paradise found.
Oprah Winfrey, CEO of Starbucks, next door to each other. With the black interior, is one of all White House, black interior, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan. Those of you know of DJ Kelly, the yellow house with the green shutters. He stays when he's in town. Don't know if he owns it or he just rents it. He always stay there. DJ Kelly. Yellow house, green shutters.
Drums that fill the night, stars
Alright, the gray house we're passing here is owned by Jay-Z and Beyonce, alright? I usually say Beyonce because we know the woman owns the house. Next door is rumored that Elon Musk purchased the house next door, but we haven't seen him there yet, so we can't go further, alright?
fish that swim with you, snorkel through the day in this ocean bay.
First stop, Big Island. Before it gets crowded.
Another thing, we're gonna keep the cup up. The pig will take the cup from us. The rice needs to the body. They definitely have to keep the cup up. We do like this, okay? We take fish out here, okay? Alright, guys. Hey, first fish.
Big.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait till it comes.
Let's set sail. Ooh, yeah. Family crew.
Ay, ay, ay. Got the spin.
Island home. Sun and sand. Feel the breeze. Endless delight. Explore the world. One by one. One by one. Island dreams. So much fun. So much fun. Family ties. Stronger grow. Love and joy. Let it flow. Let it flow. Jumping waves, splashing free, sunny days.
Yeah, you do. You get the life. Oh, you're okay.
Island paths, we will tread memories forever spread. Crystal waters, take a dip, every moment. Let it slip, dancing stars in the sky. With my fam, we fly.
He's coming up, get quick.
Explore the world, one by one, island dreams.
You see the fish underneath it? That's a remora, that's a sucker fish. It feeds off of the shell, keeps the turtle straight, right?
Love and joy, let it flow, let it flow.
what do you got there? Chips and cookie and sandwich, chips, cookie, sandwich, soft drinks. There's our boat. Shore to shore tours. It's pretty quiet. I guess they take you to islands. Each tour takes you to a different island. Check the water though. Some of the clearest water I've ever seen here in the Bahamas. And they say Nassau's nothing. They say Nassau's nothing here. We're so excited Nassau. It's like a scramble. You see that look fake? It ain't fake. It's like a movie.
Celebrate, celebrate, living life feeling great. Celebrate, celebrate, in the sun we escape, we escape, we escape, we escape. We escape, we escape, we escape. We escape, we escape.
Far, I didn't realize it goes this far. It still keeps going. I thought it was just, there's about 30 restaurants here. Famous fish fry. It smells good. I think I'm at the end here now. We'll see. Oh, maybe there's more.
Go ahead. Come close. Go ahead.
What do we got there?
That's what we call a conch.
Conch salad.
You don't talk, I do the store again. That's what we call a conch.
This is the conch salad. What is this place called?
Sandbar.
The Sandbar.
Sandbar.
The conch salad. I think I seen this place on a video actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it.
Yeah.
Well, we'll come back later. We're here for a few days. My fiance, she's already sitting in one of the places.
Where you
I'm from Canada. This is the famous place here, the Sandbar.
Sandbar.
The Sandbar. We'll have to be back. This one's got the famous conch salad, eh? Yeah. It's like a rum cake factory. I think this is one of the original. There's a line up here. So, cruise ships and stuff. It's busy. It's like the rum cake factory. It's famous for Bahamas.
Both of us don't need to be in there. Still hook us up. You know, we from here.
It's a line up here. Pina colada. Caramel.
Yeah.
Mocha cappuccino. You get free samplers there. They're amazing. We tried the coconut and the pecan. I like pecan. Coconut was unreal. We ended up going for 12 cupcakes for $67. And apparently we got 3 free shots of rum. Not the only one who drinks here. Hey! Ta-da! We got 3 free shots of rum. I'm the only one who's drinking, so I'm gonna be buzzing after this. We're heading next door for our shots of rum. Hey, 3 free shots of rum. We got 3 free shots of rum here.
Toast with it. That's it? Take a deep breath first. Are you good?
Well, that concludes. I'm feeling good. I just had 3 shots. 4 rum cakes, a shot every 4. It's like we got 12. Welcome to the Bahamas. Or farewell. It's our last day here. It's been fun. The food's been good. Food's been good. They got a good spices and herbs here. And good rum. And good beer. Bahamas, baby.